Darley Tactical Pumper comes equipped with a 6-inch NST male pump inlet on each side of the vehicle. A behind-the-panel 6-inch electric butterfly valve is installed as a standard in the driver's side main inlet. The passenger side inlet can also be specified with this valve as an option. These valves, when closed, give the pump operator the ability to remove the Darley suction cap and connect a supply line without shutting down the pump. This supply hose can either be a soft hose designed to be fed from a pressurized source or from a hard suction hose intended for drafting. Drafting water from a lake, pond, or more commonly a portable folding tank is very simple and can be a very effective way to provide water for this vehicle. When approaching the scene, fire departments may position their tactical pumper to allow enough space for deploying a portable water tank, typically to the left side, in front, or behind the vehicle. These locations are preferred because they give the pump operator visibility of the drafting operations and make the refilling of the tank more accessible. It is recommended that 2 people unload the hard suction hose and begin to connect the hoses together and to the fire pump. A 6-inch elbow can be used to simplify the process of connecting the hard suction hoses into the pump if the portable tank is positioned in front of or behind the vehicle. This keeps the hard suction hose close to the sides of the vehicle and does not require a big sweeping bend. Be sure to always use a high-flow strainer at the end of the hose to protect from debris entering the pump. A low-level strainer works great when drafting from a portable tank to try to fully utilize as much of the water as possible from the tank before breaking suction. After connecting the hard suction hose to the pump, you will need to remove the air from inside the hose before opening the valve. This is called priming. This is often accomplished using the Darley 12-volt rotary vane primer. Although opening the butterfly valve slowly while still pumping water through the pump can achieve the priming process if you can prevent too much air from entering the pump too quickly. The pump can sustain a prime while a small amount of air is introduced. If the pump's prime is lost as you begin to crack open the butterfly, just fully open the intake valve while you simultaneously pull out fully on the primer valve. You should be able to re-establish prime rather quickly. If the water tank is empty, you will need to close the tank to pump valve. Do not continuously pull out on the primer valve for more than around 30 seconds to try to prime the pump. If you cannot achieve prime more quickly, then there is likely a leak in a connection somewhere or a pump drain is open. Once prime is achieved, ensure the butterfly valve is fully opened and the tank to pump valve is closed. You can now operate the pump in a normal fashion from the newly established water source.